Hey, so today I'm going to show you guys how to record the internal audio of your device with also your voice and screen recording. Yes, all at the same time. Note, however, you do not need to jailbreak your device for this setup anyways. However, you will need a computer and a couple of cables. Now the process is a bit long, way longer than it should be actually, but it's better than nothing. Now the setup does get a bit janky, but it still works, and you should probably try it out before you leave this video or leaving a dislike. Now it could work for you temporarily. I did it for a couple of videos of mine and it was fine. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed and I hope you find this helpful, and let's get right into it. So you're gonna need a couple of things. First of all, your device, obviously. So I do have an Honor 7X and it's from Hawaii. It's a little bit old, so it has a micro USB cable. By the way, anything that's related to a micro USB, make sure it's related to your phone. So if your phone has a type USB connection instead of micro USB, then obviously just switch that up. Secondly, you will need a computer. Thirdly, you need an aux splitter. So what this is just pretty much an aux cord that's able to split into two different aux cable connections. Now this is very important for later on uses if you want to hear the internal audio as you're recording as well. You will also need an aux cable, nothing too fancy, just a simple aux cable, and some earphones. Now you also need some way to transfer files from your phone to your computer. So for me, it's micro USB. So all this is going to be micro USB related. But again, if yours has USB type C connection, then obviously change that. So for me, it will be a micro USB to USB connection if I want to directly connect my phone to the computer to transfer files. And if not, then I have a USB to female micro USB connection, so I could transfer the files from my phone to a USB memory chip, and then from that I could put that USB into my computer. Yes, I know it sounds a little bit difficult, but I swear it's not that complicated. Right, so what you need to do now is connect the aux splitter to your device. Then you're going to have two connection outputs. One is going to be for the aux cable, and then the other one is going to be for your earphones. Now the aux cable will go directly into your computer. Make sure, however, you connect it as a mic input, and make sure your computer recognizes it as a mic input. Right click on the volume tab, click on sounds, and then this menu will pop up. Now go to your recordings, and it should be able to recognize this. So this is the phone right now. The earphones are there for you to hear the internal sounds. So essentially what is happening to the aux cord is that it's acting like earphones. But instead of projecting the sound into your ears, it's projecting it to your computer. And since it's connected as a mic, it's essentially going to record the internal audio as a mic. Now, you can directly connect the aux cord from your phone to your computer, so you don't need the splitter. But the reason we got the splitter is that it's because we want to also hear the game as we're recording. Unless you want to play mute, then that's fine. Directly connect the aux cable to the computer. But yeah, so let's recap. Phone to aux splitter to aux cable. The aux cable goes to your PC, connected as a mic, and also aux splitter to earphone jack, so you could also hear what the internal audio is on your phone. Alright, so that's it about the physical part, like the actual setup. Now let's go into the software of each device, in this case your phone and the PC. Please note, you will need to pay more attention as it gets a little bit more janky. So you do need a recording software. My phone has a built-in recording software, so it's not an issue for me, but there are tons of recording softwares out there. This article actually gives a good amount of good softwares to use, but I personally have used AZ Recorder, Mobizen, and DU Recorder. It also says that the Google Play Games app has an internal recording software, so there you go, check it out. I will have it in the link description, and I will have it right here. So most of these are free, so don't worry about the watermark that it may have. If it does, it's usually in the corner and you could easily blur it out or just crop it out in the editing process. Now, whatever you want to record, have it ready. In my case, it's going to be this game. Now then, go to your computer and have a mic recording software ready to use, such as OBS or the internal sound recording software that Windows 10 has. This is the part that becomes a little bit tricky, okay? So, firstly, do you want to record your voice such as a live commentary? If so, then I suggest you use something like OBS, where you could use different mics or screens to record at the same time. If not, that's totally fine. You could use the Windows 10 recording software that it has, and then later in the editing process, you could just commentate over and have a nice commentated video. So here it is, the recording is saved, so let's go ahead and put it into the editing process. Okay guys, real quick, how to sync everything up together, or put everything together. So this is my internal recording right here. I got it from the phone, remember? Transferring it to the computer, and then right here, this black screen is the actual recording. Instead of using the Windows software, I use OBS. So pretty much just drag and drop. Oh, and this is Sony Vegas, as you can see. And then if you sync it up like this, it's not gonna be perfectly well because there's gonna be a delay, whereas you put record and record on both ends. Alright guys, so okay, so AZ Recorder recorded my phone's mic. So, but I mean, obviously the mic is not the best, so right here, this is where I said, alright guys. Alright guys. And then right here, in my actual mic recording, alright guys, I said alright guys as well. So this actually made it pretty easy for me to sync it up together. So I just do this and let that sync up. And if it sounds in harmony, I pretty much done it. Alright guys, so this is like there's a little bit of an echo. Maybe I do a little bit like that. Alright guys, so this is like the black. There, pretty much it's all together, intact. And if I mute this right here, well, pretty much I have my good recording. Alright guys, so and then again, what's the purpose of this? This only recorded my mic, my phone mic, so you will hear my fan, background noise, disgusting. But this right here recorded my voice and also the internal audio of the game. And also the quality of the audio. Okay, so you get the point. I hope you heard the actual phone recording. So like I said in the actual clip, I had to mess around with the audio file in OBS to make it sound. So in this case, I made a mistake. I should have lowered my voice and upped the volume of the phone, but you could kind of hear it. Oh, this is a countdown right here, so you probably could hear this as well. Awesome. So the audio might be low on that part, but yeah, that's pretty much yeah. Alright guys, so this is like the live version of the recording, the live commentary, pretty much. So you can see I'm recording. However, I am using my computer's microphone to do this. And with that being said, I am using OBS recording, so it could record my phone and also my microphone, my computer microphone. So let's go ahead and make some noise up in this beat. The quality of the audio will be so much different than the actual mic, so please mess with it before you start playing. As for me, my first mistakes was that the phone was super loud. So let me actually do this. So it actually does get distorted because of it's a direct connection from the audio of your phone to the computer, so it's a little bit loud. But let me just spawn some noobs in and make a lot of noise, or let them make a lot of noise as well. Let me just kill one of these. Alright, there you go. And then kill this guy, kill this guy, this spider. And if you hear any thing in the background, that's because I have my fan on. So yeah, I just want to show you guys the live commentary version of this. And well, that dude's gonna die. I just want to die now. Kill me. Kill me. There you go. Awesome. So the audio might be low on that part, but yeah, that's pretty much about it. So after you're done, OBS, it's gonna save as a video file. Well, for me, because I don't think you could just save audio files. So mine's gonna be a video file, but it's gonna be a black screen with just my voice recording and the internal phone recording. And with that being said, you just overlay those two videos. Obviously, the video recording must be on top, and you'll be able to sync in like nothing. Many of these steps could be simplified. I know this could have been an easy 1 to 3, but I did really want to explain and get into depth with the details and the explanations. So I hope you guys found this helpful. I hope this helps you guys in the future, and I hope this actually works for you guys. Please leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe. And if you have any questions, please leave them down in the description below. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.